Hey, what's going on, everybody? Bremen and I are back out on the old water. We are scouting a section for our kayak camping trip. Next weekend we are going to go on an overnight trip. So scouting a section we haven't done in roughly 6 months. Water's pretty good. We were, still haven't had rain, so we were worried that this section would just be high and dry, but very paddleable. Not a lot of swift moving water, which is fine. We've been hitting the old San Marcos, and that river's just been kicking our ass because it moves so fast. So it's nice to get back to a little slower paced water. We're doing about 4 miles today. Beautiful day. It's supposed to be a high of 80. Not a lot of clouds today, so it might be a little difficult, but gonna throw the old jig and drop shot. Those are my 2 confidence baits. Anytime you're back on water where you know you've done well with certain lures, that's always a good idea to throw those. So that's what I'm throwing in, natural colors, but I'm gonna get you guys thrown on the old GoPro. Hopefully they're chewing today.
Never check the wind, but hopefully it chills out.
It was supposed to be only like 10 miles an hour out here today. It did say it was gonna be windier earlier and then it was gonna calm down a little bit. We don't want like absolutely no wind, but now we have the opposite problem of the San Marcos River, which is the wind is just pushing us and the river's not taking us.
Yeah.
Got one.
Nice.
Oh, he's warm, dude.
Yes.
Yeah. First of the day. He's quite warm. It's kind of weird how warm the water is right now. I was expecting it to be much colder. I see a lot of people like to fish.
Dude, no way. There's another whopper popper right there. Try it, Chuck. Woo! Almost went in.
Well, not bad, but if you did go in, it wouldn't be terrible.
White whopper. Dude, it's funny. That's what I was throwing. That's what I just found. I'm gonna put it on. Maybe it'll bless me. Oh, it broke.
What did?
Like the tail that makes it plop.
Well, oh, mine almost got stuck.
If I hop back on one of those gondola people, does it look like it's moving along?
Yeah, you're right there. You can break your knee.
Smooth
Smooth as diarrhea. Luckily we can go underneath that bridge. It's you kind of have to take your seat down, but we do have one crossing up here that you cannot go under, so that'll be our first true obstacle. Went up this little creek to see if there was any maybe spawners, and a 14.
Yeah. Oh, dude, come here. You see that snake head? Look where my shadow is. Oh, shit.
So we were just moving our kayaks and Raymond spotted a snake's head. Check this out.
Stick it right in his face. I don't want to mess with him. I gotta get in there. I think it just looks like a water snake. He's coming up though. Yes. Oh, actually, do not go on my kayak.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh my god.
Nailing trees.
pause, but I'm on a tree. Oh, I thought you just said dang.
Yeah.
Alright, well that's a beer right there.
That's a special catch too, you know, not everyone can throw it in a tree and catch a fish. Like, how did you set the hook?
At a 90-degree angle with the help of the tree. First one had to resort to the Ned rig.
You're right about the bait.
Hit it, or I just foul hooked him. Yeah. Another little one. What have you been mainly throwing?
Just the jig and the drop shot. There we go. Oh, he's tiny though. First one in maybe an hour or so. It's a little deeper water here. Favorite spot, there's a little rope swing here, but it's quite chilly, so might not be using that. Yes! It might have been the one that you were talking about, Bremen. Ah! Bremen had a spot on one, and pretty sure this is the guy that had been chasing his paddle tail cast after cast, but what he wanted was a drop shot. Put him back. So a little midday update for you guys. It's not been as bad as I thought in terms of how much water would be here. Almost like this is the normal flow for us, so I think this section of the river this is what it is all the time. We were talking earlier, and I think CFS isn't necessarily the best gauge out in this section. You would rather use like depth. So pretty much the same depth. I've not gotten any monsters yet, but still beautiful day out. A little more cloud cover, so hopefully on this last stretch we'll get into some big ones.
I had a little one and he like jumped up, he spit it out right at the boat.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I don't know, but I'm just gonna keep reeling. Skiing him in. He's covered in moss. Yes. I mean, I don't remember the last time we caught a fish was. It's been a while. Little hybrid, or I don't know. Tried to watch Wild West with Sarah. She was not a fan.
Get wild, wild west, Jim West.
Looks like a pretty nice camping spot right here. Look at all this firewood.
Alright, you got shots are coming out.
Knew it. There'd be fast water cast right there. Those beautiful fish. Put them back. All right, we're on our home stretch, and right as I go down this current, I'm saying, I guarantee you I catch a fish. Biggest fish I've caught so far, I think. Nice looking guad, smallie hybrid, or straight guad. There we go. Oh, he's pretty looking too. Look at that lateral line.
What?
Look at that lateral line.
Oh yeah.
Nice little largie. Back down he goes. Got one more. Oh, this is probably my biggest of the day. Yeah, I'm gonna use the net. I'm gonna use it. Yeah, this is definitely my chunkiest of the day. We'll get a weight on this guy just for fun. A real humpback.
Oh nice.
Super thick. A 15. $1.13 pounds. Little hunchback of Notre Dame. Kind of fat. Thanks, buddy. Got another one, Bremen.
You got another one?
Yeah.
Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
Not bad. This little spot's pretty lucrative. Well, just caught my biggest of the trip right here at the end. It was a 16 inches, real skinny, but super long. I've caught more good quality fish in like 0.02 miles than the majority of the trip, so that's always frustrating. It's gonna wrap up this week's video, folks. We had a great time out on the water, but we've determined, we're not gonna actually go to this river for our kayak camping trip. Gonna go to a different river, has bigger fish, more water, and we've had really good luck there in the past. The gunshots, it's pretty normal when you're out on the river, but it always makes you feel a little uneasy. We didn't get into any huge fish, but we did catch a lot of really pretty guads. Did see a few of them on beds. I'm not sure if the spawn's over or not, but if you want to see more kayak fishing and kayak camping videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will guarantee you do not want to miss the kayak camping trip. They're always super fun, and 2 days out on the water. We're going to do an overnighter, so 2 days out on the water is always super nice. Peace.